crew go on. The plane is here. Flying the dream of the Dreamliner, B787-10.
73 service to Chicago. We are expecting a completely full flight this morning. We do need your help aboard.
Same. This is the big blankie. They're still giving the fanny packs as an amenity kit, which are really nice. As a matter of fact, I'm wearing one. Very handy. Another blankie, another pillow.
S'il vous plaît, attendre jusqu'à ce que vous pouvez mettre tous vos vêtements dans les compartiments. Merci de votre.
To my constant viewers, I know that this is probably rather boring when I go through the list of what's on board the 787-10, but there are always new people to my channel who are interested, so just bear with me. I always recommend you pick an odd row because there's a hump in the even rows. And here is United's little one-card menu and drink menu. Starting with the house salad, the appetizer, poached asparagus, lemongrass confit king prawns. United has been giving us a chance to pre-order your meal. They show you the menu, and today it's exactly what they showed. And I picked the seared beef tenderloin. I had a really good experience with it last time, but you're always taking your chances. That's okay. I'm not going to starve. And of course, the ice cream sundae, mid-flight snacks, and before arrival, vegetarian chili or grilled chicken sandwich. Oh, that's something new on the menu. And turn over the card, and it's California red, Oregon red, another California red. Oh, good. We got to the hot Madoc. I like that one. Ooh, they have a Chablis. I keep saying ooh, ooh, ooh. They have a Chablis today. Maybe I should stick with the white, even though, I don't know. Doesn't care. According to the air map, it's supposed to be an 8-hour, 13-minute flight. With some luck, I'll be home by 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We're pushing back on time, and the sun looks like it's coming out. Main runway. And we're rolling. They dim it. It's the brightest that it is right now, and they dim it. You'll just push the little lights go down, like so. And above the clouds, seat controls are right there, operated by the flywheel here. Over the ocean already. And to use a tray table, you just push in, pulls out, flip open. There's British Airways right below us. Very. Hey, David Mack, a Bloody Mary. I had so much wine on the ship for lunch and dinner every single day that I'm sick of it. We're coming up on the west coast of the UK, then it'll be over the Belfast area. And just did a flyby over Liverpool. A little bit of trivia. If you want to compare Brussels Airlines equipment with United's equipment, United's seats are cushier in Polaris than Brussels Airways, than Brussels Airlines, and the pillows on United are more comfortable. Hi everyone, I'm in my happy place. And coming up here on the coast of Ireland, between Dublin and Belfast. Sonny's absolute favorite in Ireland. In Dublin's fair city, the girls are all pretty. I absolutely love travel, even with all its complications and challenges. Come on, people, get up off your rear ends and travel, because life is not a dress rehearsal. Lunch: beef tenderloin, roasted potatoes, creamy cauliflower, salad. I chose the asparagus starters, vinegar and oil dressing, butter and 2 rolls, and then we know what's coming after this: the ice cream sundae. The asparagus is served with pesto and a tomato mousse. It's very tasty. Well, look, the ongoing travails of trying to get beef that's not over-dried or overcooked. And today's is overcooked, but that's okay. Everything else is very good. Here comes the ice cream sundae cart. I always ask for my usual caramel, chocolate sauce, and whipped cream. That does it for me. Something looks a little melty today. Maybe the caramel sauce. I just found out that we're going to be flying south of Greenland today, so I'm going to try to go to sleep. 1 hour to go, and I did not order the pre-landing meal. It's -1 Celsius in Chicago, which is 29 degrees Fahrenheit. That's actually warm for Chicago in January. It's unusual to have a tailwind going west an hour early. Miracle of miracles. As I think we're making the usual approach, but we still over Lake Michigan. This is the way I like to see it, not a drop of snow on the ground. Let me be the first to welcome you to the United States of America and my hometown, Chicago. I don't know if I've ever had an easier arrival. That's where the little trains go, between the terminals. We were an hour early, flew through passport control. If you've got global entry, all you do is stand in front of a little camera. You don't even have to slide your passports in anymore. Suitcases here. I'm ready to go home, and it is cold out here. What the heck are they building out there?